Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, yesterday we saw a decline in the US market, more of a profit booking towards the end of the year. We had seen US market outperforming substantially in the last week and last week, and thereafter in last few days we are seeing some corrections. Even Asian market today morning are seeing corrections across the board. Uh, Though if we see the dollar index, it has come down a bit, and also bond yield has corrected by 10 basis point in the US. But overall, the market is in the profit booking mode. Even commodities are more of a flattish, whereas oil is up by around 1%, and iron ore is up by 1%, but aluminum and copper are more of a flattish. So, more of a profit booking day again is being seen, or today Indian market will also follow the Asian or world market and may see some corrections. Today morning, China PMI has come and in manufacturing, and that is a bit lower than the expectations. It has come at 50.1 versus expectation of 50.2, and last month 50.3. But anyhow, since last few months, the PMI is coming positive, above 50 indicate growth, and there is a marginal growth in the PMI in the China. Something will be watched in the coming period is of PMI in US, how that behave in on Monday, on day after tomorrow. So that will be watched. But overall seems like again more of a dull day and may see some further profit booking in Indian market. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, our market is likely to open with a gap down opening, and we're likely to witness some sort of a selling pressure during a day. From the last few trading session, I'm continuously emphasizing that if the view on the Nifty is little bit cautious to negative because Nifty is facing a very strong resistance nearby 24,3,840 to 24,900 levels, and somehow it's not able to give the breakout of the same level. Yesterday, it has given the breakdown of the immediate support level of 23,700 levels on the closing basis, which gives some sort of a cautious sign. Now, as of now, for the today's intraday purpose, the support is placed at around 23,700. Below that level, 23,570, 23,440 levels can be seen on the downside. Whereas the resistance is placed at around 23,840. If it manages to give the breakout of that level, then only we can witness some sort of a positive momentum into the market, which might take a Nifty towards 24,000 psychological mark. Coming towards the bank Nifty, for today intraday purpose, the first support is placed at the psychological level of 51,000 levels. If it's break that level on the closing basis, more selling pressure is likely to be attracted, which might take a bank Nifty towards 50,700 to 50,640 levels on the downside. Coming towards the resistance level, 51,770, 52,000 are the crucial resistance level. We need to keep eye on it. The overall view on the market will remain a cautious. As of now, we are not initiating any pre-markets call. Let the market settle down at the support levels. Accordingly, we will initiate the call. Thank you. I would request Amit to take a call.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we are seeing that the gift nifty is likely to open 150 points on the lower end. Now, if you look at the overall structure from the OI positioning wise, we are seeing that in yesterday's session, around 23,500 and 800 strike a put at a position started to get liquidated. Against that, we are seeing that from the range of 23,700 to 24,000 strike. Call at positions have added up strongly. So continuously from last 2 weeks of trading session, we are witnessing that the call at positions are not getting shifted and continuously getting added near the 23,800 to 24,000 strike. From last 2 weeks of trading session also, we are continuously recommending that the sell on rise strategy need to be initiated. The support for the Nifty lies at 23,500 level. Once the 23,500 level gets broken out, then the major shifting of put writer position is taking place near 23,200 to 23,000 strike, because the position which got liquidated in yesterday's session at 23,500 and 800 strike have got shifted towards the 23,200 and 23,000 markers. So current scenario seems to be on the negative front, and we expect more selling can be witnessed in today's day of trading session or in next 1 to 2 day of trading session. PCROI yesterday closed at 0.88 level. The support for PCR in today's session will be 0.82 level. Once if PCR breaks 0.82 level, then the next level for the PCR on the downside will be 0.70 to 0.68 level, due to which in that 10 basis points we expect more 70 to 80 points of fall on the PCROI front. So once if 0.82 level gets broken out on the PCROI, then we might see some fresh short position again towards 70 80 points on the lower end. So we should, if anyone holding a long position, should place a strict stop loss at 23,500 level. Below that level, we will see second leg of selling in the market. As per stock specific and sector specific front, overall we are expecting that pharma sector looks positive, while against the counter that looks positive will be Sun Pharma, Cipla, Lupin looks positive, while on the negative front, Supreme Industries, Prestige, ITC, SBI Life, and Inpeto looks negative. So that's it from relative front. Thank you.
Good morning. On the news front, Lupin has announced the acquisition of human insulin in India from US company Eli Lilly to further enhance its diabetes portfolio. India has a huge number of individuals living with diabetes, and the demand for insulin, including human insulin, is substantial. So this is positive for Lupin. Thank you.
Good morning. On the IPO front, today one IPO will be listing. The name of the company is Unimed Aerospace and Manufacturing Limited. Details of the IPO are live. Issue size is around 500 crore. Issue consists of OFS of 250 crore and fresh issue up to rupees 250 crore. We have given subscribe rating to the company. Talking about the company, Unimed Aerospace Limited is a prominent provider of engineering solutions specializing in aerospace, defense, energy, and semiconductor components. Unimeg's advanced manufacturing capabilities, digital integration, and expertise in high entry barrier sectors position it as a key player in precision engineering solutions. Based on the peer comparison, Unimeg demonstrates superior growth and operational metrics with an exceptional revenue CAGR of 140% and industry-leading EBITDA margin of 38% and robust asset turnover of 1.5 times. It impressive ROCE of 58%, ROE of 54% are far higher than its peers. While its valuation multiples, EV by EBITDA of 51 times and PE of 69 times, are more reasonable than its competitors. They reflect its strong fundamentals and growth potentials. So we are expecting strong listing in this IPO. Indofarm Equipment Limited IPO opening today. Details of the IPO are like issue size is around 260 crore, OFS aggregating up to rupees 75 crores and fresh issue up to rupees 185 crore. Net proceeds shall be utilized towards setting up new unit for expansion of pick and carry cranes, repayment of certain borrowings, and further investment in their NBFC subsidiary Baroda Finance Limited. Talking about the company, Indofarm Equipment Limited manufacture tractor, uh, pick and carry cranes, and agricultural equipments like harvesters. With manufacturing facilities in Himachal Pradesh, it operates vertically integrated setup, enabling in-house production of critical components to enhance efficiency. It has a strong market presence across uh, agricultural and infrastructure sector, supported by 175 dealers and an in-house NBFC for retail financing. Based on the peer comparison, Indoform Equipment Limited demonstrates strong EBITDA margins of 16.5%, surpassing the peer average of 13.5%. But its overall financial performance lags behind, with a modest revenue CAGR of 3% versus peer average of 22%, low asset turnover of 0.6 times versus 1.7 times, and weaker return ratios of ROC at 8.9% and ROE of 4.9%. The company struggles to struggles to match the operational efficiency and profitability of peers. While its valuation at a P of 66 times is higher than the peer average of 45 times. Given the subdued growth prospects, weak return ratios, and high valuation, we assign a neutral rating to this IPO. Thank you.
Yeah, yesterday we met the management of Diffusion Engineering. This is a Nagpur-based heavy engineering and welding parts manufacturing company, welding plates manufacturing company, and welding electrode manufacturing company. They got three divisions, that is welding electrode, welding plates, and then heavy engineering. As of now, each of the segment is contributing 1/3 of the revenue. The company has got recently listed around a month back, but and has given a good performance from the share market perspective. The outlook seems positive for the company from a long-term perspective, as near-term company is struggling with the capacity. Though in IPO, company has planned to double its capacity, but that capacity will be coming towards the uh, fourth quarter of FY26. So till that time, the growth will be limited, maybe around 10 to 15% in the near term. But what we see that long term, the prospects of the companies has improved, and the company is upgrading itself into larger heavy engineering projects and orders, wherein the competitiveness of the company has increased substantially. Uh, long-term perspective, what we see that the company can do much better, and it can, though the size currently is small at around 300 crore turnovers, but there is a possibility that company can give consistent growth from here on, except considering the current year. What we see that company can report EPS of around uh, 12 rupees in FY26 and around 16 rupees in FY27. At current price, the share is trading at around P of around 30 times FY26 and around 21 times FY27. So, though near term, the prices up move will take some time or will be sideways to uh, range bound range prices, but one can look to accumulate this stock in the current market situations where the prices are seeing some softness. So, outlook is positive for diffusion engineering. That's all from us, and I'll request commodity team to take up from here. I don't think anyone is there from the commodity team. So that's all from us. Thank you very much and have a good day.